My AI knows more about my business than most employees would after 6 months. It knows every client, every meeting, every task, every SOP, every content idea, and every decision we've ever made. It's not because I trained a custom model, it's because I connected Claude Code to a properly structured Notion workspace. And in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you my entire system in front of you and show you exactly how to do the same. Now, please understand this before you go over the rest of this video, because this is where everyone gets it wrong. A second brain isn't a place to store information. It's a single source of truth that something can actually act on. Notion is the brain, Claude Code is the parts that read it, thinks, and does the work. Most people only build the first half, so they get a pre-database that does pretty much nothing. We're building both halves, and I'll show you each piece live as we go. So step number 1, and please don't rush this, you obviously need to set up Notion as a real database, not a pile of pages. Now let me show you mine. I keep a handful of core databases. My clients database, my content, my tasks, a knowledge base for my SOPs and proposals, and this one I call logs, where everything that happens gets recorded. Look at the structure here. Same properties, same columns, every single entry. That consistency is the whole point. A human can skim a messy page and figure it out. But if you want Claude to read your business reliably, it has to be structured like this. Clean structure in, reliable answers out. Spend your time here, as this folder of databases is the foundation of everything that stands on. So once you've connected it through the Notion integration right here, Claude can now do 2 things it couldn't do before. It can read everything in your brain and write back into it. Let me prove how that works. Watch this. I'll just ask, what's the status of this client? And then there's a real answer pulled from Notion. And then how much did I spend on tools last month? Boom. That's the actual number from the actual expense tracker spreadsheet I have for the business. And I say, pull the content ideas from the scripts page that I haven't used yet. And here's the list. I'm not pasting anything in. I'm not hoping it remembers. It's reading my real data and answering back with real information inside my business. This is the exact moment Notion stops being a notebook and becomes a brain you can actually talk to. Connecting your notes to something that can act on them is something that's genuinely useful. So step number 3, you give it a quick context, a quick orientation so it knows what it's looking at. So let's use me as the example. I open up my Autoploy folder. This is where my whole business lives in. Everything's in here, clients, admin, and content, all in one place. Then I just point Claude at it and give it a quick orientation. Here's the folder, here's what's in each section, here's how I work, here's my voice, 2 minutes top. Without that, Claude can technically read my Notion, but has no idea what actually matters and where it is. With it, it knows the client section is the source of truth for anything client related. It knows that my content is where my ideas and scripts live. It knows that the admin is all the behind my scenes stuff and that my tone is casual. Now every answer and every action lines up with how my business actually runs instead of how a robot assumes it runs. Okay, so step number 4. Now that it's wired up, your second brain can do 3 things, and everything cool is just a combination of these. Let me show you all 3 live. Number 1, it can answer to you, but I already showed you that, so let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is that it can create. Watch. Log a $29 Apify expense for today. There it goes, straight right into the Google spreadsheet. Number 3, it can also update. Mark this client as closed. Done. It edited what was already there. It can read, create, and update. That's it. And here's the habit that ties all 3 together. Anytime you ask Claude to do anything that depends on real information, write a proposal, reply to a client, check a number, you can just tell it to pull it from the second brain. Use the pricing in my Notion. Check this client's history in the brain first, then reply. That one instruction is what keeps every output grounded in your actual business instead of a confident guess. Now, step number 5 is where it goes from cool to an actual system. The stuff you do over and over, you turn into skills. Save instructions that hit the brain the same every time. So instead of re-explaining, here's how I log a new client every single time, I built it once as a skill, and now I just say, new client, hand it the details, and watch. It knows exactly which database, which properties, and which format to put it in. Now, step number 6 is my favorite, and it's the one that makes Claude actually understand my clients. You take the notes from your meetings, your Google Meet or Zoom calls, and you drop the summary and transcript straight into that client's folder in the brain. Now watch what that unlocks. I've got the transcript from my client call sitting in their folder. I'll just say, turn this call into a proposal. And there it is, a full proposal written off what the client actually said, with my pricing pulled from the brain. Then I'll just say, pull out their goals and objections and log it to the client record. And now the brain doesn't just know who this client is, it knows what they want, what they're worried about, exactly where things stand. That's the magic. Feed it your transcripts and Claude understands your clients as well as you do. Every call becomes data from now on. The whole system uses proposals, follow-ups, support. All of it's sharper because it's working off what was actually said. Now, all of this sounds great and all, but let me give you one quick warning so you don't shoot yourself in the foot, which is keep a human on anything irreversible. So let your second brain read all day long and draft anything you want. But if it's gonna delete records, touch something in the expense tracker, or message a client, you need to approve it first. The whole power of this thing is that it can act And that's exactly why you need to keep a hand on the wheel for the big stuff. Let it do 99% of the stuff, the reading, the logging, and the drafting, and you keep that last click. That's how you get all the speed without the oh no moments. So, if you made it this far in this video, that's the exact system start to finish. Structure Notion as a real database, connect Claude Cowork so that I can read and write and teach it your business and point it at the brain whenever you need real data, turn your meeting transcripts into client knowledge, wrap the repeat jobs as skills, and let the whole thing compound over time. Build the structure once, and then add one piece at a time. You don't need all of it today, but you do need the first database and the connection. But if you want a system like this or another system that you have in mind, or that you just want to automate a part of your business or busy work life, then go over to autoploy.us or first link in the description where you can work with me and my team and we can get this completely done for you. If this was genuinely useful, drop a like and subscribe. I post content every 2 to 3 days, so I'll see you in the next one. Happy building.